Oh, ain't nobody coming. Let's go. I said, ooh-wee. I knew that rock was gonna come down. It sure is. It's getting in my way. On both sides of the pedal. Yeah, told you. Whatever I planned. Devil can't wait to mess up. I hope we didn't damage that speaker. But there were two of them damaged the same way. And that's how I know it's something supernatural. So if need be, we'll start bringing that other speaker. But this one was going to charge all night. I don't understand how it don't have no power. Unless the USB port damaged like the other one was. Well, we got a minute. Let me see. Nope. It's shot. And I wish we would have known this before I came out, because I could have switched it. Hey, Jason, how you doing? Yeah, I don't know why everybody bunching up on Sunday, but there is. Everybody out here, I don't know why. Sunday. Ain't nobody got to go to work or nothing. I don't know why they out there. But they out there. I was hoping everybody be done by now and be going in and out. That's what I was hoping for. But it's all good. Damn, sweetie. So the Bluetooth speaker shot. I knew it. The phone keep coming down and it's hitting the making us go slower. They keep hitting the switch. I knew we would be a little faster than that. So somebody against us today. Somebody really against us. But you know what? We rocking on. Gas prices coming down, $4.69. $4.70 sounds better than $4.96. Oh no, you're gonna water. No! Ow! Ow! I'm getting wet. No, I didn't feel it. You did a pretty good job. I'm trying to think of what market I want to hit. So I want to get some haterade. I need to go to 33rd. But the T-Bone is at the other market. Come on, girl. Trying to get the jump. I was hoping people would go home, but they ain't. Yeah, I hope it. Everybody would have done what they had to do. But they got just as much right to be out here as I do. So, you know what I mean? You know, they got just as much right to be out here as I do, you know? So, we ain't gonna hate. You said it's a wonderful Sunday afternoon or evening. Guess what just happened? What just happened, Jason? So, well, I paid $30 for that daggone speaker. I'm really upset. That speaker damaged. Just like the other one was. That's why I say when you do a mobile live, prize money. Yeah, miss in the middle of the street. Always somebody doing something simple. She could have parked right there, or she could have parked right there. Which one should we go to, y'all? Y'all want to go to 41st or y'all want to go to 33rd? The ghetto, well, we ain't been to the ghetto market in a minute. Y'all want to hit that one? We haven't been to 33rd in a minute. We can hit that one. How y'all doing? Pretty good. Only reason we going to 33rd is because they got the haterade. But I'm gonna have to disconnect the trailer at 33rd. I ain't got to disconnect it at the 41st. And I got a better chance of getting my my potato salad. I got a better chance of getting my potato salad on 33rd. Ouch.